Hello. It's DMV Test Buddy again. Today we'll look at a very common situation at intersections. It seems easy, but not when your head is full of different information. You may not have time to get your bearings. That's why it's very important to visually remember this situation. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. You intend to make a U-turn. What can you do? A. Give up the right-of-way and begin the U-turn immediately after the passenger car. B. Enter the intersection first and, having yielded to the passenger car, complete the U-turn. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So, let's figure it out. In order to quickly and correctly answer this question, you should correctly assess the situation in the picture. We see two cars standing at an intersection. From the condition, we know that the green car is going to make a U-turn, while the red car will turn left. First, you need to pay attention to the signs or traffic lights. In this case, there are no signs for the main and secondary roads, so we can conclude that this is an intersection of equal roads. Since the red car is on the left, you and the green car can enter the intersection of equal roads first. When you turn around, the red car will become an obstacle for you, in the green car, on the right, and you will need to let it pass. Thus, it turns out that both options are suitable to some extent, although, of course, a clearer answer would be option B. So, admit it, who of you answered quickly and correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.